Welcome to our YouTube video on how to add your email on Instagram. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to easily add your email to your Instagram profile on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, select Account Center. In the Account Center, tap on Personal Details. This will take you to a page where you can update your personal information. Now, tap on Contact Info to access your contact information settings. Here, you will see options to add new contact information. Tap on Add New Contact, and then select Add Email from the options provided. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. Once you have entered your email, tap on Next to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully added your email to your Instagram profile. Now, your followers and contacts can easily reach out to you via email. Adding your email to your Instagram profile is a great way to stay connected with your followers and receive important notifications from the platform. We hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process of adding your email on Instagram. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.